the Tineco iFLOOR 3 cleaner. This is a vacuum and a mop all-in-one cleaner. So it is sweeping while it is mopping. It'll suck up all the crumbs, all of the cereal, milk, you name it. It'll suck it up while mopping. So this is just a phenomenal machine to have in your house if you're looking to do a quick tidy once over on the house. Run it through all the hardwood floors, laminate. We have hardwood floors and we've had no issues with it. Things I love about the Tineco, it is very lightweight. You just click it into place and you can move it along the floor. All of the parts, so this is the base that comes with the Tineco. Once it's in the base, that is where it charges, and then you can do the self-clean mode. The self-clean mode is just magic because it takes away a lot of the mess that you would have to do. It runs the cycle, and then you just empty out your dirty reservoir right here through your sink or your toilet. Right here is where you keep the water plus the cleaner solution that you put like a cap full in here. The brush right here is removable, so you can wash that as well. Things I just love about it. I'm a mom, I'm a busy mom. It's nice to just be able to, there's a quick mess, you don't want to sweep and mop. I just get out my Tineco and I go over it and I'm done. I love that it is versatile for sweeping and mopping. I can run it through our whole house and just be done for the day. I think this is a great product. I've had zero issues with it. I've had it for about 2.5 years and can't speak highly enough about it.